Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrencies. So we are here with the latest analysis of the Vanry breakout, major price surge ahead. This is a question mark, and we will see this is the daily chart of the Vanry, and we will look into this and find out what we can expect in coming days. All right. So there could be a lot of things going on, and there could be a lot of money can be made from this very good coin. All right, before we move on, press the bell icon. So also subscribe to our channel so you can get all the latest updates. So this section, we are doing continuous analysis and providing you, some free trading setups as well. But on the other side, in our premium section, there are a lot of trades going on in active trade section. This is open for everyone. You can go ahead and check. A lot of gems are there as well, and we are definitely counting on that. All right, so let's jump onto this section. This section is free and available to everyone. You can come and see this. Definitely will be helpful. So Venry, what we are looking at it right now, you can see I'm showing you from the Discord, perfectly made chart. As you can see, this red zone acted as a strong support throughout the whole time, and this is a beautiful triangle in front of you. Beautiful structure, trend lines, respect, utmost respect you have seen here. And once this red zone has been flipped, it continued its upside journey. And after that, it flipped the trend line, which is also a very good sign that downward, bleeding momentum or downward price momentum has been broken out, and now we are starting upward movement or uprise. So this is important. This is good. We are moving ahead, and now the thing is at a very important point, which is this green zone. So market, as you know, so there is an important thing going on right now in the market. If you see, the BTC is from 99 to bleed to 90. So it has been reversed to 90. Definitely a lot of things are going on in the world, Ukraine, Russia, Palestine, and Israel. So a lot of things are going on which makes disturbs the market. So still, and 100K is psychological number from where a lot of people will be, yeah, taking their profits as well. But we don't think that this is the right time. So so you can see a little bit of challenge in flipping this zone, but ultimately we are hoping that either it could come back to this support here, and or it will eventually flip this and then start rising higher. So there are two scenarios. We are building on that. Let's see if this resistance can be flipped, and then our next target would be definitely this blue zone, which is a good percentage and margin in front of you. So this is it. We will conclude this video here. Leave a comment and tell me if you need anything. We will definitely work for your request, and we will definitely take care of whatever you guys say. All right, join us, make good profits with us, and have a little look at the success section. So everyone in our premium community making good profits, and there are a lot of things going on, a lot of things going on. So just look at it, and we are making huge out of it. So same structure. So you see 20% profit. This is great. We do work in the spot, and we are spot traders. So this is it, and we'll conclude this video right now. Thank you very much for your time.